already pissed on your pillow. What are you gonna do about it? You're the one with piss on your pillow.
He's gonna grab your head and he's gonna rub your face in it.
It doesn't change the fact that there's piss on his pillow. That's the thing.
Exactly. Now there's piss on your face.
Huh?
Can you go on whisper for me?
Yeah.
Piss on someone's pillow on yellow.
Take him out, quick.
Take him out.
Crane case has found the exit.
Ah!
Don't go through
Yeah, don't go in there. Don't go in there.
I'm going in there.
No, don't go in there. Don't go in there.
I wouldn't
His heart rate. Why is his heart rate so high? Do you have adenosine on you?
Before we came here.
I do. I'm giving him adenosine.
They do.
So
All right, adenosine in.
The generator. Wait, where's the factory?
He got one epi a while back.
The factory generator,
dropping.
I believe, is currently.
He has a heart rate. No CPR needed.
Upwards a little bit towards the command.
Copy.
If anybody's
Copy.
cool with that,
I'm gonna push more blood.
I'm on direct route to the generator. Hold on.
Hey, can someone call in to advise that radar needs a teleport field to the ground?
Alright, medics, this is where we lead the way. Let's go.
Check this.